Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like your money disappears before you even realize it? Imagine having complete control over your finances, saving for what truly matters, and finally achieving your financial goals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a budget that actually works and transforms your life. Hi, I'm Money Talk HQ, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most important steps toward financial freedom, creating a budget that fits your lifestyle and helps you achieve your dreams. Whether you're a budgeting beginner or you've tried and failed before, this guide will simplify the process and make it practical for anyone. Before diving into numbers, let's get clear on why you're creating a budget. Ask yourself, what are your financial goals? Do you want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund? Write down your top 3 reasons so you stay motivated. A budget begins with understanding where your money is going. Write down all sources of income, track every expense for a month. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook. Categorize your spending: housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and savings. Now that you know your numbers, let's build your plan. Subtract your total expenses from your income. Allocate a portion for savings and investments. Aim for at least 20%. Assign realistic limits for discretionary spending. Remember, a budget isn't restrictive, it's your tool for freedom. If you're unsure how to divide your money, start with this formula: 50% for needs, housing, bills, groceries, 30% for wants, dining out, entertainment, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Adjust these percentages to fit your lifestyle. Make budgeting easier by automating where possible. Set up automatic transfers to savings. Use autopay for bills to avoid late fees. Limit the temptation to overspend by keeping only what you need for the month in your checking account. Sticking to a budget is an accomplishment. Celebrate milestones like saving your first $1,000 or paying off a credit card. Reward yourself in ways that align with your goals. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to creating a budget that works. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money. Let me know in the comments, what's your top financial goal for this year? Let's achieve it together. Conclusion: remember, a budget isn't about restricting your life, it's about empowering you to spend on what truly matters. Take that first step today and watch how your financial future transforms.